Good day, everyone! I am Meadow and Arizona. Thank you for joining us for today's ultimate sister adventures, cooking adventures.
And on today's culinary cooking adventures, it's taking us to our
Kitchen!
where we're going to be making
BBQ Sauce!
The things you need to make this is 1 cup of ketchup, 2.5 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/6 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon dry mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper.
Now let's get started.
Now it is time to add in all ingredients into this bowl. First, we are going to add in our ketchup. And then we're going to add in our apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar.
Our brown sugar.
Whoa.
Our honey.
I think we'll need a spoon for this.
Here you go. Here, try this.
Ooh.
It can bend.
You can take this. There you go.
Then our Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Our smoked paprika.
Smoking in it. Whoa. It smells smoked.
Our dry mustard.
Whoa. Smells like dry mustard.
That's not the dry mustard though.
Wait. Oh my god. What does it smell like?
Something very, very strong.
Oh, okay, well, whatever that was, we just added it.
It was Worcestershire sauce. And then
Really?
okay, yeah. And now the dry mustard.
This is dry mustard. That's why it looks so mustard-like. Your name mustard can be dry.
And then our garlic powder.
Garlic.
Our salt and pepper.
How much?
That's probably good. I'll just put in some
I
pepper.
remember time Meadow was making pancakes, and when I ate the pancakes, it was salty. I was like, our mom ate it, and she was like, this is so salty. I was like, huh? And I ate it, and it was super salty.
Lady said 1 tablespoon of salt. I should have read the recipe in the description after reading it. I was like,
It's a rip-off.
I'm only supposed to read it in the description? Man.
What did you think about it?
I tried fixing it by adding sweeter things. Did not help. It was like, But now we are going to mix it in.
And actually, I think at the time Meadow was making eggs too. Like, I don't know. And then when I ate the eggs, it was salty. Like,
I think I am the salt queen.
there's actually this country that, like, loves salty food. I bet you should go there.
I know. But I know I have to learn how to use less salt. I personally like quite a bit of salt. I mean, not too much, but quite a bit of salt. Just the flavor, just like,
yeah. But a lot of salt with hard-boiled eggs. I like that.
yeah, I guess if hard-boiled eggs are kind of bland, so you'd add like quite a bit of salt to get flavor.
And then,
Yeah.
this is exactly like barbecue sauce.
And that is how you make barbecue sauce. Now we're done mixing it. And this is how you make BBQ sauce. Now, this is how you do it if you're going to put on raw foods and then cook it. But if you're going to put on something like a hamburger, already cooked pork, chicken, and ribs, then you would put it in a pan, all the ingredients in a pan, put on medium heat, and let it cook for 10 minutes. And then you can put on your food that has been already cooked. But if you're going to put it on something that is raw and then you're going to cook it, then you'd make it like this. So that's how you make BBQ sauce.
That concludes our cooking adventures for today. We hope to see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join us on another Ultimate Sisters Adventure Show. Bye.